police officers, if they are not there cannot be implementation of the human rights. So what I am trying to say is education can definitely change the scenario of human rights. Students who want to work for human rights, they need not wait for the case to come. They can educate themselves, they can go to the society and can offer legal aid, and you can find those who are sensitive PILs but with passion of justice, not with passion of publicity. If you find those PILs, definitely I am sure that the Supreme Court as well as the High Courts will definitely take appropriate actions. There is much to say, but then I know that human rights are at such a topic which are having no boundaries. But then to conclude, I will say that the human rights journey started with liberation to proclamation, proclamation to declaration, declaration to protection, protection to perfection. Now we are going from protection to perfection. We need perfection of human rights, and the quality in human rights will come when we all are sincere. And we all are sincere means when we understand what is our rights and we understand more than rights what is our duties. And therefore I always say, and Justice Bhagwati also had the same opinion earlier, was that the human rights are not more in fundamental rights, human rights are more in fundamental duties. Follow your fundamental duties, you enforce the fundamental rights. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, my request would be that the entire one-day seminar of National Human Rights Commission sponsored is having made an agenda, and that agenda is the young generation must value human rights. Young generation has to take it forward, that you are the future lawyers and you are the future judges. How we want human rights to be there. When you visit any foreign country, you see the discipline, you see the kind of response, you see the kind of public conduct by those foreigners when you go there, but you see the public conduct of Indians, you see the behavior of Indians. We are still way behind. We have to really go forward to take the human rights to have a true meaning. With these words, once again I welcome all the dignitaries. There is much to talk, but then I know that the whole of the PACE seminar will give you different niceties of human rights, and I am sure that all those who have come, they have not come for certificate, they have come for human rights knowledge. Let us not die for certificates. You will get certificate from the society if you perform good human right work. Human right is not in certificates, human right is in knowledge. With these words, thank you so much for listening to me, and I thank Justice Sai for coming and not taking this. Thank you so much.